There's a parable in Matthew 18:21 to 35 that illustrates the importance of forgiveness. It's the parable of the unforgiving servant. Here's how it goes. A king wanted to settle accounts with his servants. One servant owed him a massive debt, so much that there was no way he could ever repay it. The king ordered that the man and his family be sold to pay off the debt, but the servant begged for mercy. And you know what happened? The king forgave the entire debt. This man was completely freed from a debt he could never repay. But what did the servant do? He went out and found another servant who owed him a small amount of money. Instead of showing the same mercy he received, he demanded immediate payment and had the man thrown in prison when he couldn't pay. When the king heard about this, he was furious and said to the servant, "Shouldn't you have had mercy on your fellow servant, just as I had on you?" And in anger, he handed the servant over to be punished. Now, let's talk about what forgiveness is and what it isn't. A lot of people struggle with forgiveness because they think it means excusing someone's behavior or acting like nothing ever happened. But that's not the case. Forgiveness doesn't mean that what the other person did was okay, or mean that you have to stay in a harmful situation. Forgiveness is about letting go of the anger, resentment, and judgment that are poisoning your heart. It's about releasing that burden to God and trusting Him to deal with the situation. Look up Ephesians 4:31 to 32. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.